The Ministry of Public Health Immunization Center will allow hospitals to organize vaccination bookings and inform people of vaccine appointments on the Mor Prom app from this Friday. Those who have any inquiries can contact the hospital where they requested the vaccination. In late May, the Mor Prom app temporarily suspended vaccination bookings in accordance with the CCSA and the government's vaccine administration. It reopened for use earlier this month in response to widespread vaccination appointment postponements. Meanwhile, according to the Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation, 8.3% of the entire population of Thailand, or over 5.6 million people, have received their first dose of COVID-19 vaccine, while only about 2.2 million people have had their second doses, or 3.3% of the population. Phuket remains the province with the highest vaccination rate, with 63.33% receiving the first dose and 40.73% having their second. And of course, this is very essential as it is reopening to foreign tourists in just a week. While the percentages in Bangkok are 22.5% and 7.25% respectively. All medical personnel have now received their first dose, while 90.5% of them have been fully vaccinated. Low percentages are, however, found in the target groups of the months of June and July, namely people aged 60 and over and those with any of the 7 specified non-communicable diseases. 7.8% of the first group have received their first dose, but only 0.4% their second, due mainly to the long gap between the 2 doses of AstraZeneca vaccine. 9.6% of the second group have received their first dose, while 2.1% have received their second. More than 7.9 million vaccine doses out of 8.5 million distributed nationwide have been administered to date. And as of yesterday, AstraZeneca jabs account for 2.17 million first doses and 49,000 doses of the second, while Sinovac jabs accounted for over 3.3 million first doses and over 2.1 million second doses. More than 75 million doses have been administered in ASEAN so far. Thailand ranks number 3 in the region in terms of numbers of vaccine jabs, but ranks number 7th in terms of vaccinated population ratio, with Singapore leading at 45.9%. And over 2.6 billion doses have been administered worldwide, with an average of 39.7 million doses being administered per day.